Hello, my name is Aaron. Welcome to Higher Alignment. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. In this video, I'm going to be presenting 3 ways that you can cultivate a better relationship with the self. Now, why would you want to do this anyway? Perhaps you have low self-esteem or a lack of confidence, or perhaps you're trying to improve your relationships with those around you. I always say that our primary relationship is the one that we have with the self. All other relationships are reflections of this relationship. So to the extent that you love, honor, and respect yourself, it's going to be to the extent that you will allow in love, honor, and respect from others. I'm pretty sure many of us are familiar with these situations or these relationships, these situationships where we get involved with someone and then a few months down the road we find that they're not who we expected them to be. Many times there is this inner void, there's this inner feeling of lack, something that we feel like we are missing or didn't get, and we're trying to fulfill this through another person. So we will purposely get involved with someone who has those exact characteristics that this person knows how to push your buttons. They know how to trigger you. Okay, and this is really you trying to heal the part of you that you feel like needs to be healed. So if you improve your relationships with yourself, your relationship with yourself, you'll find that these other relationships will naturally improve as well. So the first way that I have for you to cultivate a better relationship with the self is going to be to enjoy your own companionship, to enjoy your own company. We can go back to sometimes we may feel an inner void, an inner lack. And instead of filling ourselves up with ourselves, we will try to cover up that void with someone else. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't hang out with your friends or your family or your partner. I'm just saying that it's your responsibility to make sure that you are happy and satisfied. And if you are relying on others to fill a void, to fulfill a need, then you will actually forever be vulnerable in that capacity. So this leads me to my second way that you can cultivate a better relationship with the self. Engaging in your passions, your interests, and your hobbies. Having goals that fulfill you and satisfy you. That way, when you are alone or when you're by yourself, you actually have something productive to engage in, and you're building that relationship with yourself. And my third way that you can cultivate a better relationship with the self is to trust yourself. Trust that you can handle whatever happens in your life. Many times we have to make decisions, and sometimes those decisions result in harmony in our life, and sometimes they don't. But no matter what happens, you want to make sure that you trust in your abilities to handle whatever it is that comes up. That's also going to provide you a way to cultivate a better relationship with the self. If you would like to dive deeper into this inner work, into this personal development work, go ahead and in the description of this video, I have a workbook for you called Learning Myself. It's going to help you discover your interests, your passions, your goals in life, as well as creating a self-care routine that's customized just for you. So I hope that these tips have helped you out. Make sure that you click the subscribe button and that you hit that bell icon so that you can be notified about all future videos. Thank you so much. Have a great